Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to change the Shopify drop-down menu color. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click Online Store on the left. On the Themes page, find your current theme. Click the three-dot button. In the new menu, select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In the filter, search for Base DS. You'll see a file named Base CSS. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This contains all your store's style code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the end, you'll see a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit hosttube.net. The link is in the description. We'll use the code from this page. Simply click the button to copy the code. Then go back to Shopify and paste the code into the blank line we left. After pasting, we'll see 2 lines that control our drop-down menu colors. The first line changes the background color and the second changes the text color. To change the background, locate the color code. It starts with a hashtag followed by the color code. Delete the existing code and add your desired color code. If you don't know the code, visit htmlcolorcodes.com. There, you can select your desired color and it will show you the 6-character code to use for your chosen color. Simply replace this code with the desired color code. Below is the text color code. Here it's easier. Just enter the name of the color you want. I used white, but you can choose any color by changing the name. It's white now, but we could use black, blue, or any color you prefer. Remember, the color name must be in English. After changing the drop-down and text colors, find the Save button on the top right. Just click it. Once clicked, your changes are saved successfully. Now in our store, any drop-down menu will show the new sub-menu color we selected. I hope this video was helpful.